Hello, hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I usually draw my eyeliner because so many of my friends have been asking how I draw my eyeliner so sharp with a pencil liner, not those liquid liners. Usually liquid liners like this have a sharper tip so that you could create that perfect wing line. See how sharp the tip is? Now, compared to this, pencil liners usually have a more rounded edge. So it is harder to create a wing liner, but today I wanted to show you how you could accomplish a wing, like sharp wing liner that you could cut. No, just kidding. Violence is not allowed. How you could create a sharp wing liner with a pencil liner. So if you want to learn how to create a wing line, keep on watching. First, you create a line. Make sure that your hand, you loosen up your hands and go as softly as possible, and then from not the complete edge, like the last third bit of it, from that on just drag it and then color it in. If you think you want it sharper, take your nails, drag it up like that. It's pretty easy. I usually like a thick liner. Like that. Pretty easy. Start from the bottom and up and connect.
Ryan Little.
I usually like to put some eyeliner on my lower lashes as well, but I don't go a straight line. I focus on the inner corners, skip the middle part, that way my eyes don't look completely shut or like closed. I just love the edgy look that under eyeliner gives me. And then you put on some eyelashes or mascara and you're good to go. I'll be back. I'm also gonna teach you how to smoke out the eyeliner because I have oily eyelids. Even the most waterproof eyeliner smudges on me, so I usually take a similar brown color as my eyeliner and just go over the line. It's like setting your eyeliner and you smoke the edges out and then you pat it in. This way, even though you had a messy edges, this kind of blends it out. This really does the trick for me because California is hot and like you can see, I get very sweaty and my eyeliner doesn't last at all. So this has been my go-to trick and it works, and I want to share with you guys. So here it is. This is how I usually do my eyeliner. A lot of my friends have been asking, so I wanted to create this this tutorial, I guess, for you, and I hope this helped my friends out there or whoever's watching to create an easy eyeliner with a pencil liner. So I'll see you in my next video, and bye!